All right, in example 10, we need to set f of x equal to g of x and then find the solutions algebraically. So we're going to set negative x squared plus 10x minus 24 equal to 2x minus 9. We're going to solve that. That means get everything together. So I'm going to minus 2x. I'm going to minus 2x. And I'm going to add 9 and add 9. I put them under their like terms over here so we can combine them easier. The x squared doesn't change. It is negative x squared. 10 minus 2 is positive 8x. And negative 24 plus 9 is negative 15. Okay, and that equals 0, because over here we get 0. Now, I do not like this negative sign hanging out in front. That's a negative 1, so we got to factor it out. So we're going to divide by negative 1. So I get a negative 1 on the outside, and then I get x squared minus 8x, and then negative over negative is that positive 15, and that equals 0. Now we can factor that. Now I look at 15, and I find the factors of 15, which are 1 and 15, and 3 and 5. This tells me they need to be the same, and this tells me what sign. They need to be negative. So that's a negative 1 and a negative 15, negative 3 and a negative 5. Which ones are going to give me negative 8? That's right, negative 3 and negative 5. So we rewrite this as negative 1, and then x minus 3, and then x minus 5 equals 0. Now we're going to apply the 0 rule here. So that's x minus 3 equals 0, and then x minus 5 equals 0. Solving this, we get plus 3, so x equals 3. Solving that, we get add 5, so x equals 5. So that's part of our solution already. Now we're going to find the other one. So we know our two solution points will have x values of 3 and 5. And now we're going to plug those into g of x equals 2x minus 9. So we're going to take g of x equals 2x minus 9 and plug in 3 and 5 into it. So we're going to take g of x, and we're going to say g of 3 instead, equals 2 times 5 minus 9. 2 times 5 is 10, minus 9 is 1. So g of 3 equals 1. So we go ahead and put that up there. Now we're going to find g of 5. I'm sorry, I just completely did that wrong. Okay, so that is actually the wrong answer up there. I apologize. And we say that g of 3 equals 2 times 3 minus 9, which is 6 minus 9, which is negative 3. So g of 3 equals negative 3. We'll put that up there. Now we rework it and put 5 in instead. So g of 5 is going to equal 2 times 5 minus 9, which is 10 minus 9, which is 1. So g of 5 equals 1. So there's your two solution points, 3 and negative 3, and 5, 1. All right.